That's pretty good, man. That's usually what those 40 pounders go way out there and start rolling along the surface. Do a bit of surface cruising. Oh yeah, that's a nice tail.
Yeah.
Oh fuck yeah. Nice fish, but nothing that we were fucking hoping for.
Oh, it's actually pretty big.
Yeah, it's bigger than, oh man, sometimes I have problems with this. Yeah, 20 pounder tail it in, it's 35.
That's 30.
Yeah,
That's 30.
yeah, we can net that one, fuck yeah.
That's 30.
Yeah, that looks like it'll be right around 30 for sure. It's weird, do you think he is hooked in the throat, kind of underneath?
He's girthy, he's got a big back on him.
Yeah, he's got a nice thick tail wrist to him too. I'd say we can kill her. Oh! You gonna come in easy or you gonna make it hard on us?
Alright.
Fuck yeah, it's not properly hooked to it. Oh fuck. That is a fucking nice one. Come on, come on. Fucking come on! One more roll this way, one more roll. Oh yeah. Yeah man, fuck yeah man. Alright, yeah! Fuck yeah man, holy shit. Well, that's a 40 pounder for sure. Pound that shit, yeah. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Fucking Godzilla, eh? Look, I'm gonna have to look into one of those. That's awesome, man.
Woo!
That's a football.
That's a big fucking fish.
There's a personal.
Fuck yeah.
Fucking day before fucking the Masters guests get here. Right in the frickin', right down below the fin too, eh?
Buddy.
Man, that thing howled off the rigger. Alright, let's measure it.
Fuck yeah.
We should have a tape in the...
In the tackle box.
Yeah, here, I'll get it, Mike, don't worry.
Oh, that's a fucking big buddy.
No, you got the tail there. I think it's rolled here.
40, 45?
What? It's over 45. Okay. Holy fuck, man. That is not a small fish.
No, it's not,
That's
buddy.
fucking almost gonna be around 50. Holy fuck, man. Yeah, 45 and 29. That's gonna be high 40s, man.